clock's going. That's probably not it. It's probably not so funny the third time.
Yeah, it will be. It's gonna jump me.
Not like last time. No. Ow, my foot. Fucking nah.
I don't want this shit. Okay, ready? Is it recorded?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You're gonna get really pissed. Oh my fucking god. What the F? Fucking. Morgan?
You're just scared.
I am. I'm gonna pee myself.
Slow your roll a little bit.
You said hurry, your iPod's gonna die.
Well, it'll last a minute or so.
Here we go, Morgan. Don't jump.
I know it's coming, and I'm still really scared.
We should have your grandmother do this.
No, dude, she's got a heart condition.
She'd die right in front of us. I would have really have that.
Ready?